To create a user report schedule, hover over Reports, select Scheduled Reports. Select the User Report Schedule tab. Select Next to create a new schedule. In the Properties tab, give the schedule a name. Select when the schedule will run and at what time it will be emailed to you. Select the report time span. Keep in mind when the report will run and select the appropriate time span. For example, run Monday mornings for the previous 7 days excluding run day, or run weekdays for the current day at 9 p.m. In the Distribution tab, select who the report should be emailed to by selecting the appropriate agent group, employee group, or team. For employee groups, ensure the group has been created. Speak to your system administrator if there are no groups to choose from. For a team, ensure the team has been created. Speak to your system administrator if there are no teams to choose from. Select the checkbox next to the appropriate agent group, employee, or team. Email addresses for the agents, employees, or team members must be configured in the system, otherwise the reports will not be emailed to the user. Speak to your IT system administrator. Select Save to save the report schedule. You cannot add reports to a schedule unless the schedule has been saved. You can have multiple reports on the one schedule. However, if the schedule properties are different, you'll need to create a separate schedule. For example, daily, weekly, or monthly. To add reports to the schedule, click on the Add a Report link. Select from the categories on the left-hand side of the reports to add to the schedule. For example, Voice Agent Reports. Select the type of report to run, either agent reports or employee reports depending on the category chosen. Select the required start hour and end hour. Depending on the report selected, you may have access to select a particular interval, for example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Select the days to include on the report. Select the appropriate report mode. Over midnight is only used if you are running a report across the midnight timeframe, for example, from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Depending on the report selected, you may have access to select a particular shift mode. Agent Group Presence mode removes the period where agents are absent from the particular shift data. Select the desired language. Select whether the report will be in Excel or PDF. Select Submit to add the report to the schedule. Repeat the process to add additional reports. Select Manage Schedule to update the schedule properties. Select Add a Report to add reports to the schedule. To delete a report from the schedule, select the Reports tab. Select the checkbox alongside the report to remove. Click on the Delete Selected button. Select Execute Now to run the report schedule for a particular date interval. To delete a schedule completely on the selected schedule, click on the Delete button. Click on Scheduled Reports menu to return to the Reports menu. To edit an existing user report schedule, select the User Report Schedule tab. From the Works with an Existing Schedule, select the appropriate schedule to update.